we go.
Didn't think you would ever believe in me. Now I see your colors, now they're in my dreams. Do I need a touch or do I just need sleep? 'Cause I've been up for almost 3 weeks.